Types of order on Binance Futures. Currently, Binance Futures supports 7 types of order. 1. Limit order. 2. Market order. 3. Stop limit order. 4. Stop market order. 5. Trailing stop order. 6. Post-only order. 7. Limit take profit and stop loss order. Users can choose to enable various settings from preference before placing an order. Order confirmation. Once enabled, an order confirmation will be required every time an order is submitted. Position mode. You can select one-way mode or hedge mode for your contracts. Price protection. Once enabled, if the difference between the last price and the mark price of the contract exceeds the set threshold when the stop loss and take profit orders reach the trigger price, the stop loss and take profit orders will not be triggered. Limit order. What is a limit order? Limit order allows you to place an order at a specific or a better price. A buy limit order will be filled if the price matches or is lower than your limit price, and a sell limit order will be filled at or higher than your limit price. Please note that a limit order is not guaranteed to execute. Market order. What is a market order? Market orders are matched immediately at the best available price. Stop limit order. What is a stop limit order? A stop limit order is a conditional order over a set time frame, executed at a specified price after a given stop price has been reached. Once the stop price is reached, it will buy or sell at the limit price or at a better price than the limit price you set. Stop market order. What is a stop market order? Similar to a stop limit order, a stop market order uses a stop price to trigger the trade. However, when the stop price is reached, it triggers a market order instead. Trailing stop order. What is a trailing stop order? A trailing stop order allows traders to place a preset order at a specific percentage away from the market price when the market swings. It locks in profit by enabling a trade to remain open and continue to profit as long as the price is moving in the direction favorable to traders. It does not move back in the other direction. When the price moves in the opposite direction by a specified percentage, the trailing stop order will be executed at market price. Post-only order. What is a post-only order? Post-only orders are added to the order book when you place the order, but they are not executed immediately. What is limit take profit and stop loss order? You can set a take profit or stop loss price before opening a position. It will follow the last price or mark price to trigger your take profit and stop loss orders.